Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The all-new Amarok introduced captivating element in its front end, characterized by audacious horizontal upper radiator grille crossbar, while the rear end showcases distinctive new C-shaped rear light with its extended allaying and a longer wheelbase. The fresh Amarok model offers a more spacious cabin, while shoulder overhang enhances its off-road capabilities. Notably, the inclusion of cutting-edge technology encompassing an impressive array of 30 driver assistance features established the second-generation Amarok as a game-changer in the realm of premium pickup truck. It proves to be a trustworthy companion for customers who seek both comfort and the ability to handle heavy load or conquer off-road terrains. Let's delve into the different trim of the Amarok, starting with the entry-level variant known as the Amarok Life. This particular trim emphasizes comfort and boasts notable features such as sleek 17-inch Cobra silver alloy wheels, LED headlamp that illuminate the road ahead, a generous 10-inch infotainment screen, and a crucial safety component, the rear-view camera system. Moving up the ladder, we encounter the Amarok Style, which builds upon the features of the Amarok Life. In addition to the existing attributes, it presents an enhanced aesthetic appeal with striking 18-inch Amadora silver alloy wheels, a stylish chrome styling bar, a black side step adorned with a tasteful chrome insert, further elevating its premium motor. Furthermore, the Amarok Style incorporates an upgraded 12-inch central infotainment screen equipped with navigation capabilities, ensuring an extra layer of safety. This trim also inserts innovative features like the area view 360-degree camera, providing a comprehensive view of the surrounding. For those seeking formidable off-road prowess, the Amarok PanAmericana is the trim of choice, engineered to take out challenging terrains. This variant boasts a driveline with a rear locking differential and an underride guard. The comfort suspension system enhances the ride quality, making it more accommodating for road journeys. Adding to its distinctiveness, the Amarok PanAmericana proudly showcases upgraded 18-inch black Amadora alloy wheels, a premium bumper featuring a striking black X insert, delivering an alluring visual appeal along with its functional enhancement. At the pinnacle of the Amarok lineup stands the rain-topping Amarok Aventura, captivating one-looker with its remarkable design element. Instantly noticeable are the eye-catching 21-inch Volkswagen silver alloy wheels, exuding an air of exclusivity. The chrome-plated exterior mirror and door handles provide an elegant touch, while the premium bumper embossed with a silver X insert further enhances its overall appeal. Combining style with substance, the Amarok Aventura redefines what it means to have a top-tier pickup truck experience. In conclusion, the all-new Amarok surprises expectation, offering a blend of striking design, cutting-edge technology, and formidable capabilities. With its range of trim including the comfort-focused Amarok Life, the stylish Amarok Style, the off-road-oriented Amarok PanAmericana, and the luxurious Amarok Aventura, there is an Amarok to suit every discerning driver needs. Whether it is comfort, aesthetic, off-road adventure, or a combination, three of the Amarok lineup provide itself as an exceptional choice for individuals seeking a versatile and dependable pickup truck.